good evening. The image of Maharashtra as a progressive state has taken a beating following the recent spate of female feticide. According to the 2011 census in Maharashtra, 801 female against 1,000 male children. It is naturally expected of all the doctors from urban area to have a very high level of awareness. It becomes almost an ethical, social responsibility that all of the doctors stand united for to pledge on the behalf of their fraternity. Medscape India was established in 2010 with the socio-scientific aim. Medscape India wants to take this message ahead, a pledge to not to discriminate with the girl child. So please request all of you to stand so we can take a pledge behalf of whole Maharashtra and India. We take a pledge not to reveal gender. We take a pledge to enrich life of people. We take a pledge to remain the responsible forever. Thank you so much. I'm sure my doctors are responsible. My community is responsible. They will never allow such kind of mishappening happen. Thank you so much. I'm Dr. Sunita Dubey. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Sunita. और मैं चाहूँगा हेल्थ मिनिस्टर साहब से, सर प्लीज why don't you say a few words?
Ladies and gentlemen, this program is dedicated to the girl child. The ratio of the girl child in the last 10 years have drastically gone down in the state of Maharashtra. Let me tell you, I, along with all the organizations of the medical fraternity, including the President and the office bearers of the Maharashtra Medical Council, we have all come together and taken a pledge. Sex determination will not be permitted in the state of Maharashtra. So I want to congratulate Medscape India Awards team, especially Dr. Dubey, for having taken this initiative, for starting a campaign to save the girl child. Let us come out and have a beautiful world to live in. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
वैसे आज शाम में खूब मस्ती है, यहाँ पे खूब मजा होना है, लेकिन आई थिंक अगर शुरुआत कुछ म्यूजिक और कुछ धमाल के साथ हो तो आई एम डैम श्योर खूब मजा आएगा. एक बार जोरदार तालियां फॉर आवर फर्स्ट परफॉर्मर्स.
പുഞ്ചിരി തഞ്ചി കൊഞ്ചിക്കോ മുന്തിരി മുത്തൊളി ചിന്തിക്കോ മഞ്ചണി വർണ്ണ ചുന്ദരി വാവേ തങ്കിന്നക്ക തകതിയാടും തങ്കതിയാവേ
சிவந்ததே என் மஞ்சளே கல்யாணம்
देखिए आज यहाँ पे बहुत से लोग हैं जिनको सम्मानित किया जाएगा, जिनके हुनर को, जिनके टैलेंट को यहाँ पे अवार्ड दिया जा रहा है। लेकिन अवार्ड देने के लिए जो विनर्स होते हैं वो चुनने बहुत मुश्किल काम है। आई थिंक वो मुश्किल काम थैंकफुली मेरे तो बस में नहीं है, तो थैंकफुली इन्होंने मुझसे पूछा भी नहीं। ये हमारी जूरी को सौंपा गया है और मैं चाहूँगा ख़ास तौर पे इस जूरी को मंच पे बुलाया जाए और मैं डॉक्टर सुनीता दुबे एंड डॉक्टर नीरज दुबे से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि वो भी मंच पे आएँ और इनको सम्मानित करें, फेलिसिटेट करें। Dr. Neeraj and Dr. Sunita felicitating the jury for the wonderful job they have done. Thank you so much, jury, for doing such a wonderful job. Let's have a big hand. जोरदार तालियां हमारी जूरी के लिए। और मैं चाहूंगा कि जूरी एवी पे हम सब नजर डालें।
Medscape India is my dream project and it is working since 2006.
This organization is the first organization which is giving awards to the medical personalities who have worked as a pioneering, particularly in that particular field.
Medscape India has got a big body together which compiles cardiology, radiology, gynecology, all the branches has come from medicine, and along with that dental, Ayurveda, pharma, physiotherapy, the branches who we have never met, they have also come together to support the cause.
All the different categories, we had different jury from their respective fields. They have come together from various parts of Maharashtra.
When Dr. Sunita Dubey came to me, explained me what they want to do, I readily agreed because we were going to get all the specialists under one roof.
She is taking a task which nobody has done previously, neither in the state nor into the country. And I thought that I should join this and dedicate myself to this cause.
Being a jury, what I was looking at, the number of years of service the person has done, and I emphasize how much of service has been done by the professional in rural area.
How they are recognized in the medical education, how they are recognized as a doctor. So these are the different categories in which markings are being done, and accordingly the awardee will be chosen.
Selecting winner was a very difficult task because there are many contestants, because you have to select across the Maharashtra.
We could have given more number of awards had it been in my hands.
Medscape India Award has got 21 category, and all 21 category had 21 body. For this award, we had almost sent the emailer and nomination more than 3 lakh people. We had 2,000 total nomination we have received in 21 bodies. After 2,000, we have selected 21 people.
As a jury, it gives a great pleasure to see that everybody who had been nominated for these awards, they all deserve in their own way a separate prize.
Let these awards inculcate a best value in the minds of doctors, so they start in believing, giving their best to the society.
I want to thanks to all my jury and advisory member and people who's working behind the scene. Everyone, I want to say thank you, and I want them to realize this is a genuine cause where really we can come together and make a difference in society. We can do a lot of things together, and definitely for that, till you all don't get involved, it's not possible. So it's a teamwork which we are going to represent Medscape India, and I'm thankful to all of them, of course the people who have come over here and listening to me. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. I think एक बार फिर से जोरदार तालियां for our jury, and I think it's now time to start with the awards. Please take your seats. Thank you very much. All right, वैसे अब बारी है पहले अवार्ड की तरफ बढ़ने की, पहले सिर्फ अवार्ड्स के लिए, लेकिन देखिए डॉक्टर्स के लिए अवार्ड है, तो मेरे ख्याल अगर सिर्फ अकेले मैं करूंगा तो शायद कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाए, तो इसलिए मैंने एक यहाँ पे पार्टनर भी हैं, बड़ी खूबसूरत सी डॉक्टर हैं तो मैंने कहा थोड़े पंगे लेने के लिए उनको बुला लिया यहाँ पे। मैं चाहूंगा एक बार जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत किया जाए मेरी को होस्ट द ब्यूटीफुल डॉक्टर अंजलि करीरा।
Good evening everyone. A warm welcome from the Medscape India Awards Team 2011. I am here to take you through the journey that each of these awardees has gone through to reach this level of excellence. So Manish,
जी
I think we should start with the first set of awards.
आई नो मन तो कर रहा था लेकिन आप इतनी अच्छी तरह बोल रही थी मेरा मन था आप बोलती जाए आप क्या मतलब किस चीज की डॉक्टर हैं आप
मैं साइकेट्रिस्ट हूँ.
ओह मेरी साइकी पता तो नहीं चल गई आपको
थोड़ी थोड़ी.
थोड़ी थोड़ी इश, चलो कोई बात नहीं आई थिंक ये तो सबको पता चली जाएगी थोड़ी देर में. फिलहाल आई थिंक पहले जो सेट ऑफ प्रेजेंटर्स हैं हम उनको मंच पे बुलाना चाहेंगे. एक बार जोरदार तालियां फॉर डॉक्टर लेखा पाठक एंड डॉक्टर झुनझुनवाला. पहली कैटेगरी है मेडिकल इंडिजिनियस इक्विपमेंट्स. वैसे बड़े जरूरी होते हैं इक्विपमेंट.
बिल्कुल. डॉक्टर विदाउट इक्विपमेंट्स अ डॉक्टर कैन नॉट वर्क.
आई नो यार कभी वो छुरी कभी चाकू मुझे तो कोई बोले मैं बाजू वाले रेस्टोरेंट से जाके फोक एंड नाइफ लाके दे दूं तो आई थिंक वो गड़बड़ नहीं होनी चाहिए. आई थिंक वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. क्या कहती हैं आप?
बिल्कुल मनीष. तो हमारे जो अवार्डी हैं आज throughout India and the neighboring countries, this company is very famous for their surgical equipments. These equipments are used by cardiologists, neurologists as well as general surgeons. So I request our presenters to please announce the name of the winner.
This award goes to Mr. Madhukar Gokhale.
और एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Congratulations.
Medscape award for which I was selected. I am very happy that such activity is appreciated and this will give as an example for many people to go ahead to develop instruments in India and we can do it equal to the quality of imported things.
नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी वी हैव इज मीडिया इन हेल्थ. अब देखिए इतनी सारी बीमारियां हैं उनके कितने सारे इलाज हैं किसको पता चले. अब मुझ जैसे बंदे को पूछ लो तो वैसे ही कंफ्यूज हो जाऊं है ना. मुझे तो पता ही नहीं होता क्या होता है. तो आई थिंक ये बहुत बड़ी हेल्प जो करी है मीडिया ने करी है कि अवेयरनेस जो स्प्रेड करी है. व्हाट डू यू से?
तो हमारी जो विनर है इज अ कंपनी विद अ यंग टीम व्हिच आर स्प्रेडिंग द मैसेज ऑफ हेल्थ थ्रू देयर पब्लिशर. The publisher is an MBA and a thinker. He is the author of more than 700 published articles ranging from philosophy to business management.
And the winner is?
This award, Excellency in Media, it goes to Mr. Manoj Khatri.
To thank Medscape India and also commend them for a wonderful initiative. And I'd like to tell them that Complete Wellbeing wholeheartedly supports Save the Girl Child movement. Thank you.
Thank you so much and congratulations. Moving on to the next set is NGO in health sector.
तो ये जो NGO है जो आज की विजेता है महारोगी सेवा समिति with the objective of treating, training and rehabilitating the socially outcast leprosy patients.
The award goes to Baba Amte.
Thank you very much. वैसे डॉक्टर अंजलि आज आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही हैं और मेरे को बार बार ऐसा मन कर रहा है जैसे मैं बिल्कुल बोला अंजलि. आई थिंक वो शाहरुख साहब ने बहुत बढ़िया बोला था. और मेरे ख्याल अगर मेरा दिमाग ख़राब हो जाएगा तो मुझे मेडिकेशन की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. दवाई यानी किसी फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी से मुझे बात करनी पड़ेगी. उनसे मैं बात करता हूँ कि कैसी दवाई मुझे लेनी चाहिए. वैसे आप मेरी साइकी समझ रही हैं?
बिल्कुल समझ रही हूँ.
क्यों समझ रही हैं इतनी जल्दी? अभी तो शो की शुरुआत है.
मेरा काम है ये.
नॉट बैड. चलिए इनसे तो मेरी बातें होती ही रहेंगी. फिलहाल नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी इज फार्मास्यूटिकल.
Pharmaceutical companies, as we all know, every doctor requires a drug to be prescribed. Any drug, any injection that we prescribe comes from the pharmaceutical company. And the winner that we have today, the company is a very well-known company in the medical field. And they have a wide range of products. I think each and every doctor would be using their products.
Can we have the name, please?
Best Pharmaceutical Company award goes to Alkem Laboratory.
I'm sure the support that you have been showing towards Alkem will remain, and we are also committed to this effect. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much and congratulations. Dr. Anjali, कई बीमारियां ऐसी होती हैं मतलब जिनके बारे में सुन के दिल डर जाता है, और मैं तो उन लोगों के बारे में सोचता हूँ जिनको ये बीमारी है. आई थिंक वो कितने परेशान हो जाते होंगे, कितनी टेंशन में होते होंगे. बट आई थिंक इसी में एक चीज़ की खुशी ये है कि एक हॉस्पिटल ऐसा है जो ऐसे लोगों की मदद करता है, उनको हौसला देता है, उनका इलाज करता है. क्या कहते हैं आप?
तो मनीष जिस बीमारी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो है कैंसर. दिस हॉस्पिटल प्रोवाइड्स प्रोबेबली द ओनली रे ऑफ होप फॉर कैंसर पेशेंट्स. द इंस्टीट्यूट्स मंत्रा फॉर सक्सेस is innovation, empathy and vision.
The award goes to none other than Tata Hospital.
Gentlemen, I would first like to thank the jury for choosing Tata Memorial Hospital for this award. This is the tribute to the founder, the scores of caregivers who work in our hospital, and most importantly, to the patients whom we are dedicated to serve. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, congratulations, and thank you very much to our presenters. Thank you. Well, ये तो हुए हमारे first set of awards. अभी और बहुत से awards आने बाकी हैं, लेकिन खूब entertainment है आपके लिए. डॉक्टर अंजलि, आपको पता है वैसे मेरी साइकी से आपको कहीं लगता है मैं अच्छा डांस भी करता हूँगा? लगता है? आई ला, फिर तो आपको सब कुछ ही पता चल रहा होगा मेरी साइकी से. हाँ, चलिए वो डिटेल्स में हम बाद में जाएंगे. फिलहाल लेट मी टेल यू लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वी हैव अ ग्रेट परफॉर्मेंस कमिंग अप फॉर यू. कमाल की ये परफॉर्मेंस है. ये कौन है ये मैं आपको नहीं बताऊंगा क्योंकि ये अपनी कला से ही अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देना चाहेंगे. एक बार जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए. दोस्तों मैं बताऊं जो परफॉर्मर आने वाले हैं ये एक अलग ही प्राणी है. मतलब रियली जब ये परफॉर्म करते हैं तो मुझे सीरियसली लगता है कि ये सब कुछ स्लो मोशन में क्यों चल रहा है? वेल, ही इज नन अदर देन क्रॉकरोज। एक बार जोरदार तालियां फॉर क्रॉकरोज। यार सुपर था ना? नहीं यार, और लगता है किसी हमारे जो डॉक्टर साहब बैठे हैं उनमें से किसी से कराया जाए।
बिल्कुल, आप कोई तो आएगा अपने औजारों के बिना आना प्लीज। और
मैं चाहता हूँ हट्टे कट्टे वाले डॉक्टर आए। नहीं 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 नहीं, अरे आने दे, मजा आएगा। वो वैसे ही स्लो मोशन में ही करेंगे। अरे सर डॉक्टर झुनझुनवाला आइए सर, आइए सर। टें 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 टें, देखो इनका स्लो मोशन चालू हो गया, देखो।
डॉक्टर साहब बकरी की आंख लगाएगा, बकरी की।
सर आइए, आज हम आपको डांस सिखाएंगे। सर कम ऑन सर। ओके, लेट्स हैव द म्यूजिक। डॉक्टर झुनझुनवाला जरा ध्यान दीजिएगा। चलिए, लेट्स हैव द म्यूजिक। क्या बात है, जोरदार तालियां आ जाए। शुभम सर अब इसी मोशन में नीचे भी जाना। आइए। डॉक्टर झुनझुनवाला, थैंक यू सो मच। आई थिंक दैट्स रियली स्पोर्टिंग। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। क्या बात है यार, मजा आ गया। आई थिंक सुपर्ब। जाने से पहले कुछ कहना चाहते हो सबको तुम?
जाने से पहले मैं वही कहना चाहता हूँ, थैंक यू once more।
चलो एक रिवर्स कर दो यार, सब इतनी रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है। कम ऑन यार, हो जाए।
सोन
बात है, क्या बात है, सुपर यार। तुम रहते कहाँ हो?
मैं देहरादून।
शुक्र है भैया तुम ट्रेन से जाते हो, वरना तो तुम पहुंच ही ना पाओ। वेरी गुड यार, आई थिंक बट ही सुपर्ब। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं, एंड जोरदार तालियां फॉर DID, जो कि ऐसे ऐसे टैलेंट हम सब के लिए लेके आते हैं। जोरदार तालियां, कम ऑन। तो अब यहाँ पे आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं डॉक्टर सुनीता को एक बार फिर से मंच पे बुलाना चाहूंगा। बहुत सी बातें वो हमें बताना चाहती हैं, बहुत सी बातें वो हमसे करना चाहती हैं। एक बार जोरदार तालियां फॉर डॉक्टर सुनीता दुबे।
I'm Dr. Sunita Dubey and I'm a radiologist and nutritionist also. I did my MBBS from Karnataka and then I did my radiology from Somaiya and the MD from the Luganska Medical College, which is in Europe. Then later on I realized that slowly and steadily I have to utilize this knowledge for well-being of community where everybody gets the equal treatment and in the best facility, and the people don't die just because they could not get the timely treatment. So I started with this setup, Aryan Medical Educational Trust, which is actually a non-profit organization. Aryan Hospital is a multi-speciality hospital. Under one roof we have everything. Every month we have fixed camp, like sometimes we are doing cardiac, sometimes we are doing diabetes, sometimes for the women health checkup, breast cancer, and a lot of hygiene education has to be there. So a lot of initiative has been taken by Aryan Medical Educational Trust. Apart from Mumbai, we have a small 30-bedded NICU in Allahabad. We are coming with a 150-bedded hospital in Varanasi. So we are targeting more of our peripheral area where there is no hospital facility and medical facilities there. Aryan Medical Center or Aryan Hospital or Trust, they were actually catering very small number of people. So what dream I had as serving the whole nation and the whole globe, that was not possible with the kind of work I was doing. And there the Medscape India was born, where I was having the dream of taking all the expertise people along with the government, along with the community. So Medscape India have come with this vision. To start anything, we have to know what are the issues are there. So we performed a big survey to find out what are the issue we have. So first survey was done from the patient, and the second survey was done to find out about the doctor. And that gave us quite big vision to us, an idea ki what are the issue we have in India to fight and come up with some prevention. We have started with the online reporting for the patient, then we have a medico cell to help the doctor, then we have a lot of interactive tools available on our site where doctor can become a columnist, write a lot of fact about the medicine, educate patient, and we are going to focus a lot of things like we have an issue related to the violence on doctors, then issue related to law and policies, and medical student having issue, then a lot of issue related to exclusively related to healthcare community. Apart from other work, Medscape India is going to give award, which will definitely encourage the people who has done a good job and set an example. Hope government also integrates Medscape India's team for their policy making. That will definitely help them to get the practical knowledge which can utilize to make a policy more usable by community of medical healthcare also and for the community itself. Medscape India is all about converting dream into reality. So we are expecting that really it will change a lot of things in healthcare.
Thank you so much. I'm very grateful to all of you for making Medscape India a reality. We are grateful to media for supporting us by publishing the same. As a part of Medscape India Charter, we are approaching for the better socio-legal norm for doctors and patients alike. It's time for a change. Every day, almost 15 to 20 doctors are getting beaten up by the patient's relative. A survey conducted by Medscape India revealed that the major reason behind this was the lack of proper communication skill by our doctors. Medscape India is working on creating this program. It will call Smart Doc to incorporate communication skill, grooming session, medical legal norm and social sensitization into the medical education, and hopefully will be integrated into MBBS program beginning of the internship. Today is the first inaugural edition of the Medscape India, and I hope the young doctor across the country, they start inspiring to win Medscape India award by going forward. I would like to say Thank you and congratulations to all the winners. I thank all the representative medical body for lending their support to our cause and award. For me, it is one of the most beautiful day where I can see medical, paramedical, people coming together, health community coming together. So please give big hand to all yourself and to the Medscape India cause. Thank you so much.
And now moving on to the next set of awards, मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा हमारे presenters को, Dr. Himanshu Mehta and Dr. Neeraj Dubey. एक बार जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए. Alright, अब बात की जाए awards की. Yes, this category is Wellness Awards.
She has over the past few years researched the concept of slimming and has put together a plethora of slimming and spot reduction services. She is an epitome of combining the goodness of health along with yoga and the latest in science.
The Medscape India Award 2012 for excellency in wellness healthcare goes to, any guesses? Mrs. Shelly Khera.
Namaste, and this is my great honor to receive this award, Medscape. And we also support Save Girl Child. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much and congratulations. Moving on to the next category is General Practitioner.
The awardee in this category is a leading senior general practitioner and a family physician. He believes that general practice provides unlimited opportunity to serve the society.
And the winner is
Medscape India Awards 2012 honoring excellence in the field of healthcare. For this particular category, excellency in general practitioner goes to Dr. J.P. Trivedi.
I really sincerely thanks to Medscape India and panel of juries to selecting me Excellency in General Practice Award.
Moving on to the next set is Homeopathy.
The winner in this category is the founder of Mind Technology, and he works in Mumbai, has been a busy homeopathician for over 30 years. He has also written a new book in which he has prescribed a new treatment for asthma.
And the winner is?
Winner for Medscape India Award 2012 for excellence in homeopathy goes to Dr. Jawahar Shah.
I thank my friends and supporters. We have taken the flag of homeopathy and India into 87 countries. And this is all because of support from all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations again. अगली जो कैटेगरी है आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर, मतलब कमाल होते हैं यार, मतलब कोई पौधा नहीं छोड़ते, सब उखाड़ देते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाए उसमें से.
Doctor who is winning in the category of Ayurveda has 33 years of teaching at Sri Ayurved Mahavidyalaya in Nagpur. He is the chairman of Herbal Drug Export Evaluation Committee by the Government of India.
Medscape India Awards 2012 honoring excellence in the field of Ayurveda goes to Dr. Sri Ramji Jyotishi.
Children, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Vidyarupen Sanstapita Namastasya 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 Namo Namah.
Thank you very much, sir. Congratulations. And next we have is physiotherapy.
The winner in physiotherapy has served the Indian Association of Physiotherapists and has represented Asian physiotherapy at an international level.
And the winner is?
The Medscape India Award 2012 for excellency in physiotherapy goes to Professor Daulat Dastoor.
Well, I must thank the organizers. Bring physiotherapy
on the same platform as doctors. Whether the doctors like it or not, I'm proud to present my specialty at this platform. Thank you very much for the award, Medscape India.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Congratulations. Now moving on to our next performance. और ये performance के बारे में मैं क्या कहूँ? मतलब इतनी मीठी आवाज किसी की कैसे हो सकती है? ये उसका जवाब है. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our next performer coming on stage. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए साधना सरगम जी के लिए. Followed by Mr. Ram Shankar and Toby Zach. जोरदार तालियां.
मिलके फरियाद करो, दिल जो चला गया है उसे आबाद करो, यारो तुम मेरा साथ दो जरा। तुझे देखा सांसें मुझे आती अब कम, धड़कने रुक गई निकले ना दम, खुदा सोने मुखड़े बनाता है जी कम, मरू मिटे तुझ पर भूल गए हम, दिल गया रे गया सनम, दर्द जुदाई मेरे दिल विच भर दिया, तिखी तिखी नजरों ने जादू कैसा कर दिया, थोड़ा थोड़ा हंस के कहर कैसा ढा दिया, उसकी अदाओं ने दीवाना मुझे कर दिया, दिल गया ले गया सनम, तुझे देखा सांसें मुझे आती अब कम, धड़कने रुक गई निकले ना दम। थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू। जो ये फोटो खींच रहे हैं इतनी मोहब्बत से, एक शेर सिर्फ उनके लिए सुनाऊंगा फिर जाऊंगा। शौक से खींचो मेरी तस्वीर को, पर नजर ना मारना तस्वीर को, मेरी तस्वीर को तुम खींच के वादा करना, एक कॉपी को बाय पोस्ट रवाना करना। थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
doing alright. We wanna freak out, have a good time. Ladies, come on, raise your hands. Show me where are all my fans. Come into the club, I wanna spray champagne. Come on, let's warm up. Can you hear the beat drop? DJ, put the bass up.
है ताला घुसू कहाँ से मैं साला लैला की खिड़की खुली है खिड़की के नीचे है नाला खिड़की पे कोई खड़ा है लैला का टाका भिड़ा है मजे उड़ाती है मेरी मोहब्बत की पूंछ मार के ओ मेरी जान मेरे को मजनू बना कर कहाँ चलती प्यार की पुंगी बजा कर ओ मेरी जान मेरे को मजनू बना कर कहाँ चलती प्यार की पुंगी बजा कर सबको तो बरसात बांटे मैं मांगू तो मुझको डांटे औरों के गालों पे पप्पी मेरे ही गालों पे चाटे लाला है क्रिकेट के जैसी तबले पे क्रिकेट के जैसी लिपस्टिक का ठप्पा लगा दी है गालों पे स्मूच मार के ओ मेरी मेरे को मजनू बना कर कहाँ चलती प्यार की बजा कर
क्या बात है, एक बार जोरदार तालियां टॉपी के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच, आई थिंक दैट वाज वंडरफुल। यहाँ पे जो डॉक्टर साहब हैं बहुत सारे, आई थिंक वो काफी शांत बैठे हैं। आई थिंक उनके साथ भी कुछ हंगामा होना चाहिए। तो मैं पूछना चाहूंगा आप लोगों से, किसके साथ एक गेम है मेरी, वो किसके साथ खेली जाए? कौन से सज्जन को उठाया जाए, प्लीज मुझे बताएं। सर आप खेलेंगे? आइए, बड़े खिलाड़ी लग रहे हैं वैसे आप। आइए, ये गेम तो आपको खेलनी। आइए सर, दो और सज्जन आने चाहिए। आप बताइए किनको बुलाएं?
We have Dr. J. Rajani. I think he can come.
डॉक्टर जे रजानी, कहाँ हैं आप?
And even Dr. Mehta can come.
मैं अब आपको सर बड़ा सिंपल सा फंडा है। देखिए यहाँ पे सबने गाना गाया, डांस किया, बड़ा अच्छा माहौल बनाया यहाँ पे। तो मेरी रिक्वेस्ट रहेगी कि छमक छल्लो सॉन्ग जो है सर।
Not a problem.
क्या बात है। ओके, कैन वी हैव द म्यूजिक प्लीज? सर तालियां।
Let's rock the party.
एक एक डायलॉग बोलना है सर। सर एक बॉलीवुड का डायलॉग है सर, प्लीज है, आइए सर। नंबर 1, आई थिंक आप बहुत अच्छा डांस करते हैं।
थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू।
नहीं सर, मैंने अब तो बहुत मजा। सर देखिए डायलॉग है, आप इन दोनों में से एक उंगली चूज करिए, इसमें एक डायलॉग छुपा हुआ है। लो ये है, हमने करी इंडियंस वाली हरकत, दिया एक पकड़ दोनों इन्होंने। ओके सर ठीक है, डायलॉग है मैं।
हेलो।
नहीं मैं
तुम्हारे
बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ।
बच्चे का बाप बनने वाला।
नहीं सर, सी इट्स अ वेरी फिल्मी थिंग, यू नो, हमारे बॉलीवुड में बहुत फेमस है ये डायलॉग, तो हम थोड़ा उसी अंदाज में, यू नो, विल ट्राई एंड से इट इन दैट वे। मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ, थोड़ा इमोशंस के साथ। सर लेट्स टैक। आपने डांस भी बहुत अच्छा किया, आई एम श्योर आप बड़ा अच्छा बोलेंगे।
मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ।
सर आपने बोला ऐसे, बाप वाली फीलिंग मुझे आने लग गई थी। But I must say, thank you so much. Let's have a big hand for them, yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Pleasure. Superb. Thank you. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ अवार्ड्स। और ये अवार्ड जो हैं, the award is sponsored by L&T General Insurance Company Limited। और ये अवार्ड देने के लिए हम मंच पे बुलाना चाहेंगे डॉक्टर लहाने, डीन JJ हॉस्पिटल। लेट्स हैव अ बिग हैंड फॉर हिम। एंड डॉक्टर नीरज दुबे। एक बार जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए। All right, so the first category is neuroscience.
The person who has been elected as the awardee for the neuroscience has been in charge of the stereotactic and functional neurosurgery program at Jaslok Hospital and has performed the largest number of neurosurgeries in Asia. He has also conducted the first trial of stem cell therapy for Parkinson's disease in the world.
Medscape India Awards 2012 honoring excellence in neuroscience goes to Dr. Paresh Doshi.
I am sure this concept will be very well welcomed by various other organizations as well, and I wish also the success to Medscape India to expand this to entire India.
नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी जो है, ये लोग हम सबको बड़ा खूबसूरत बनाते हैं, यू नो, और हमारी इंडस्ट्री में तो इनकी बहुत मदद लगती है। नेक्स्ट इज डर्मेटोलॉजी।
The winner in dermatology has been practicing since the last 29 years. Her department has been working closely with the Humsafar Trust, which works with transgenders to actively tackle the HIV epidemic.
Medscape India Award 2012 for excellence in dermatology goes to Dr. Hemangi Jerajani.
Dr. Hema Jerajani. Congratulations.
The most important point Medscape India has given is a platform to work together. There are so many nice doctors, professional doctors working here. I'm sure with this, their help, we will come a common forum to work towards humanity.
Next we have is ophthalmology, and for that.
The winner in this category is the professor and head, Department of Ophthalmology at JJ Hospital. She has operated 249 small incision cataract surgeries in 3 days, which is a world record in December 2005. She has performed 50,000 cataract surgeries so far.
All right, and the award goes to?
Medscape India Awards 2012 for excellence in ophthalmology goes to none other than Dr. Ragini Parekh.
I would like to thank Dr. Neeraj Pandey and Dr. Sunita Pandey for the concept of the Aryan Medical and Education Trust and the concept of Medscape India Awards. I would like to thank them for the honor bestowed upon me, and I would like to congratulate all the awardees for me to be a small little star among such stalwarts. Thank you very much.
Thank you and congratulations, ma'am. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next category is for gynec.
Gynecology. The winner in gynecology has an experience of 36 years and has been a pioneer of many surgeries. He is the ex-honorary professor of Grant Medical College, Mumbai, and has won the Rashtriya Gaurav Award in 2002 for excellence in his field.
The Medscape India Awards 2012 for the excellence in gynecology goes to none other than Dr. C.N. Purandare.
Medscape India Award, which is being given to many of our colleagues. I think it's a unique thing because very rarely doctors are felicitated by their own peers, and I'm happy that I'm one of them being selected for the award.
Moving on to the next one is orthopedic.
From amongst more than 37,000 orthopedic surgeons in India, he has the unique distinction of designing prostheses for knee and hip replacement surgeries. Rising from a humble background, he has progressed to become a medical icon of the nation.
I really feel proud that I have given opportunity to announce his name, Dr. K.H. Sancheti.
What a great pleasure for me to receive this award. I am delighted to receive it. Both Neeraj and Sunita are doing a wonderful job. I dedicate this award to my medical, paramedical and supportive staff. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for being such a sport. And moving on to the next category is dentistry.
Winner in this category is the Dean of Government Dental College and Hospital in Mumbai and has a teaching experience of 30 years. He has developed a patient education and counseling center with the objective of creating dental health awareness among the common man, and he has also, to his credit, a satellite clinic for dental problems in people residing in Mumbai.
The Medscape India Awards 2012 for Excellence in Dentistry goes to my friend Dr. Man Singh Pawar.
I dedicate this award to my institute, Government Dental College and Hospital, Mumbai. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Congratulations. एक बार फिर से आप सबको याद दिलाऊं, हमारे साथ एक बड़े ही talented singer हैं जो यहाँ पे आके perform करने वाले हैं. Let's have a big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for Apurva Shah, सारेगामापा challenge के singer, and साथ में एक जबरदस्त act by Toby. एक बार जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए. Come on, everybody.
सारा ज़माना हसीनों का दीवाना, ज़माना कहे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना. सारा ज़माना हसीनों का दीवाना, ज़माना कहे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना. सारा ज़माना जवानी है दीवानी मेरी रानी. अरे रुक जाओ रानी, देख जरा पीछे मुड़ के चली कहाँ से उड़ के. गिली अक्का बिले 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 बिले. ये जवानी है दीवानी मेरी रानी. अरे रुक जाओ रानी, देख जरा पीछे मुड़ के चली कहाँ से उड़ के. हाँ दिल क्या महफिल है तेरे कदमों में आ. दिल क्या महफिल है तेरे, दुनिया की बहार तेरे लिए. चांद सितारे तेरे लिए. जाने अदा हो जाने अदा, तुझ पे मैं फिदा हो. दिल क्या महफिल है तेरे कदमों में आ.
Thank you so much, friends. The next song which I will be presenting is, based on Rag Ahir Bhairav. And according to the musical therapy, this rag is known to cure depression. तो एक नमूना हो जाए.
अलबेला सजन आयो रे, अलबेला आयो रे मोरा अतहु न सुख पायो रे अलबेला सजन आयो रे अलबेला
समुंदर जाओगे उसने इतना ही जाना के धज धज के दशन में रहना के सज धज के दशन में रहना ते बन ठन के जशन में रहना के सज धज के दशन में रहना.
All right now, wasn't that fun? Let's try something else.
रूठी हो मुझसे
बेचारा बेचारा उलाला 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 तू है मेरी फैंटेसी छूना ना छूना ना छूना ना छूना ना अब मैं जवा हो गई उलाला 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 तू है मेरी फैंटेसी छूना ना छूना ना छूना ना छूना ना अब मैं जवा हो गई
Right now, let me please welcome the beautiful, the gorgeous models we have and the handsome looking men we have. Yes, the fashion show by Miss Billy Moria. Zordar Talia.
Ladies and gentlemen, Amy Billamoria gears up to showcase the elements for the cause to save the girl child. An initiative by Medscape India.
It's all in me.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ashka Goradia, famous actor. Ladies and gentlemen, Nandini Singh, well-known TV actress and model. Leading lady of Govinda. Ladies and gentlemen, Mamta, a model, handbag designer, mother to her daughter Sasha, and an animal lover. Ladies and gentlemen, TJ Sidhu, radio host, model, and an actor. Ladies and gentlemen, Anjali Pandey, actor and a model. Ladies and gentlemen, Deepshika, recently wedded couple, actor, model, director, along with her husband Keshav, model, actor and producer. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Sunita and Dr. Neeraj.
greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day
that someone somehow will soon make a change.
Ladies and gentlemen, Amy.
No, we cannot turn away.
Right now, they need a helping hand.
Beautiful designer with a beautiful cause. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for all our beautiful models, actors.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, pleased to announce the launch of the new menswear line Pegasus by Karanveer Bora and Amy Billamoria.
Thank you very much. And moving on with the next set of awards, we'd like to call the presenters on stage. Can we please have Dr. Tauri and Dr. Bahubali Shah? And this is the category for radiology.
The winner in the category of radiology is a consultant radiologist at Jaslok Hospital and Baba Atomic Research Center since more than 25 years. He has also been given the Lifetime Achievement Award by Association of American Radiologists of Indian origin in 2008.
And the winner is
Medscape India Awards 2012 for excellence in radiology is none other than Dr. Mukund Joshi.
I do believe that I'm being honored by this Medscape Awards because they have recognized my contribution to the society in general.
आगे बढ़ते हैं next category, which is for surgery.
The winner in the category of surgery, she is the ex-professor of pediatric surgery at KEM Hospital. She was the ex-vice chancellor, University of Mumbai. She has received the Woman of the Year award twice and has written various books on health education and women-related issues.
And the award goes to
Medscape India Awards 2012 for excellence in surgery goes to a great Dr. Snehata Deshmukh.
On behalf of the winner, can we have somebody else coming and collecting the award? Next we have is medicine.
The winner in the category of medicine was elected a fellow of the Royal College of Physicians at the age of 38 years, the youngest Indian ever to be so elected.
And the award goes to
Medscape India Awards 2012 for excellence in medicine goes to again teacher of teachers, Dr. Farooq Udoadia.
Thank you and congratulations, sir. And we would like to thank our presenters also for doing the honors. I request Dr. Sunita to please stay back for the next set of awards. And I would really request Mr. Dilip Shinde, Joint Managing Director, MTDC, to please join Dr. Sunita on stage for the next set of awards. Alright, the next category is cardiology.
The winner in the field of cardiology is the Vice Chairman and Managing Director of the well-known Asian Heart Institute in Mumbai. He is considered as one of the best cardiac surgeons in the country, having performed over 16,000 cardiac surgeries. He is also regarded as one of the safest heart surgeons in the world.
And the award goes to?
For Dr. Ramakant Panda for Cardiology, Medscape India Award.
Time for the next category. That is the medical tourism.
The winner of this award is a recently established hospital and is looking towards extension of medical tourism.
Medscape India Award 2012 for the medical tourism goes to Seven Hill. Give a big hand.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Congratulations. And moving on to the last performance. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have a superb act by none other than Toby.
सबसे नशीला है इसे देखो यहाँ वो हुस्न की बारिश में गीला है इश्क के नाम पे करते सभी अब राज लीला है नकल तो साला कैरेक्टर ढीला है लड़कों का नशा प्यारे नशा सबसे नशीला है इसे देखो यहाँ वो हुस्न की बारिश में गीला है इश्क के नाम पे करते
eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी ना जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा. चाहत के दो पल भी दिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या? कमर को आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होगा हम है क्या सेन्योरिटा. सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या.
Jamás podré interpretar el sentido de las palabras que me dedican, pero el calor de tu mirar me hace sentir como la más bella señorita.
निगाहों ने निगाहों से कहीं अरमान की दास्तां है सेन्योरिटा. ये चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबां है सेन्योरिटा.
मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो, आओ पास तुम मेरे.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा.
चाहत के दो पल भी दिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या? कमर को आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होगा हम है क्या? चाहत के दो पल भी दिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या? कमर को आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होगा हम है क्या? चाहत के दो पल भी दिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Toby. I think that was wonderful. I hope we all had a great time.
Thank you, Manish, and thank you everyone for being a part of this show.
Thank you very much. Good night. Bye-bye.